Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to find a blocked person on Facebook, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, tap the menu icon. It's the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the app. Step 3. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. You'll see this option near the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page of your Facebook account. Step 5. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Here, you'll see an option called Blocking. Tap on it. Step 6. You're now in the blocking section. Here, you can view the full list of people you've blocked on Facebook. To unblock someone, simply tap the Unblock button next to their name. Facebook may ask for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm if you're sure you want to unblock them. And that's it. You've successfully found your blocked list and learned how to unblock someone if needed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.